So now we've finished creating our digital magazine, we're now ready to upload this to our website so we can direct readers, customers to our digital publication to be able to view online. So what we're going to do is we've done all the design tab, we're ready to upload. So the tab we need to go to is output, and this is where we basically finalize everything and upload to our site. Now there's separate video tutorials on the Zoom level, so if you need any information on that, please be directed to the Zoom level tutorial. But for this one, we're uploading online. So if we expand the Format tab, you can see that we have a number of different formats that we can create. Now I want to create a Flash and HTML5 version, so both iPad users, iPhone, tablet, mobile devices and also desktop and laptop users can all view the publication via their web browser. So all I need to do is select this option. Now at this point you can include as many different of these options as you like. There are separate video tutorials for those, so we're just going to focus on the online version. So I simply select online. I can then turn my attention to the upload section. So where do you want this to be uploaded? Now you have two options here. If you know your FTP details for your website, then you can use the 3D Issue Uploader section here within the software. The first time you do this, all you need to do is select Add and then enter in your FTP server address, the username and password for your website. This then allows the 3D Issue application to connect with your website and then upload your digital editions to it whenever you hit the Build button over here on the right side. If, however, you don't have the details to hand, or perhaps someone else in your department or team uploads the publications, then just simply don't select Upload and then carry on to click Build. What that will do is then give you a folder which you can pass that entire project folder to the person who's responsible to upload to your website, and then they can upload it through their own FTP application. So we're ready to create our online version, Flash HTML5. We've already told the software our website details, selected Upload, and I'm going to hit Build. So you can see here it's creating all the different versions depending on which options you had selected in the format, and continues to build. Now the time it takes does depend on many things really, the size of the PDF, how many pages, how much interactivity and how many different versions you're creating, but generally, as you see there, it doesn't take too long. You then here have the option to add the publication to the online library. What this does is if you select yes for all your PDFs or your publications, then it then allows your end readers to view this in a kind of archive, back issues type library. So if your publications are related in any way, perhaps sequential, then this is a great idea to get your end readers to access other editions apart from the one they're on. You can see it's then been built, and you have these two options. So we can click here to view online, which gives us our URL to use to view the publication, or open folder. Now, if you hadn't selected Upload, you wouldn't be able to view online because it wouldn't have uploaded it, but you would have this option, open folder. If you select that, then you'll be able to have that folder and send that on to the person who's going to update your website. So we're going to select View Online here. So here's our publication uploaded and online now. So we can see this URL, and this is the URL that we would then send out to our customers and readers to direct them to this online publication. Now you see when this launches, what it's doing is a quick check to see what device we're on. It just knows that we're on a PC there now, so it's showing us the Flash version. Now if we were on an iPad or an iPhone, as soon as we refreshed that link, what it would do is know that we're on an iOS device, automatically direct us to an HTML5 version. So it's the same link you use for both versions, so if you distribute this link, then both readers will be able to view both Flash and HTML5 versions depending on their device. So there we go, how to upload your digital publications to be viewed in Flash and HTML5.